Welcome back to Glam Designs by Anne. Today I am back with another video, and I hope this video finds you in good spirits and you are having the most wonderful and blessed day so far. So I've styled and decorated my dining room for fall 2024, and I'm going to go in a little bit closer and I'm going to share where everything came from. So guys, I wasn't able to do a clean and decorate because I'm still under the weather. I currently have a stuffy nose, a little cough, and a cold. So I went ahead and I just cleaned and decorated my dining room, and it's kind of been like this for over a week now. And Thanksgiving is coming up really soon here in Canada. So like I said, I'm gonna go in closer and just share where things are from. And if you guys have been with me for a while, you know that I like to shop my home, and I love adding one or two new items just to give my existing decor a new and fresh look. And just like my living room, I wanted to bring in those warm, cozy tones into the dining room as well to have a cohesive flow with the living room, because my lower level with the kitchen, dining room, and the island, and the living room and the entryway, it's all one open floor plan. So when I'm decorating, or if you're decorating for an open floor plan, you always have to make sure that your color palette kind of flows throughout the space for a cohesive look. So like in those nice, warm, cozy tones and not the bright, bright oranges that I used last year. I wanted more warmth, I wanted texture, I wanted coziness. So just like the living room, I've added these rust, beautiful sort of brown tones into the dining room as well. And those tones are incorporated alongside with my black and white aesthetics that I normally decorate with all year round. So on the dining room, I wanted to keep it simple, especially when it came to my centerpiece. I didn't want to add any florals. I wanted something low. So I went in with this beautiful chiffon runner. It's black. I got it from Amazon a few years back. And then I just added these cute little grateful signs. I added four of them in front of each of my uh, dinner setting plates. And then I added some cute little pumpkins that I DIY that I got from the dollar store a few years ago. I just painted them in, the color is a burnt sienna. So it's sort of like a warm tone. I purchased it from Amazon. It's an acrylic paint. And then I just added some pine cones and some acorns in the same warm tones to go along with all of the other to go with the color palette that I've styled the dining room with. I added these pumpkins. These pumpkins I purchased about 2 years ago, I think, 2 or 3 years ago from HomeSense. The one in the middle is a DIY that I shared with you guys a few videos ago. And then these beautiful candles came in a set of two. I got them from Amazon. And my black and white candle holders came from Amazon a few years ago. And that is the centerpiece, guys. Really simple, to the point, and I actually love how it looks. And with centerpiece being low, you're able to conversate, you're able to see each other, and that is what it's all about. And for my table setting, my plate setting, I went with these mats that I got from Amazon a few years ago. My black charger plates that I got from Amazon. You can get those in a few different colors. And this plate, I got four of them from the Dollar Tree a few weeks back, along with the salad plate, but I didn't want to do the matchy-matchy thing. So I ended up just using this black salad plate that goes with my black dinnerware set that I got from Walmart. The napkins are new. I did get them from Amazon. And then these beautiful metal sort of spiral sort of napkin rings, I got those from Amazon. I've had those for a few years now. And then I went in with just a simple knife and fork, and this is also from Amazon. I purchased this maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and it comes with two forks, two spoons, and a knife. My beautiful amber glasses came from, I think I got these from Marshall's and I purchased them a few years ago. This is like my go-to glasses that I love using around Thanksgiving because it has that really nice amber warm tone and it goes really nicely with this color palette. And that is my table setting, guys. Really simple to the point. So the only new things that I got for this table this year were just my napkins from Amazon, and then those beautiful candles came from Amazon. Everything else I already had. And as you can see, I just added some battery operated lights for more ambiance. Let me know your thoughts on what you think of my tablescape for fall 2020. On my credenza, I just added that beautiful vessel or vase. I got that back in the winter from Winners. I think it was 29.99. And then those beautiful stems are the same stems that I have on the end table in the living room and on the console table that I have in my staircase area. I ended up purchasing another one because I just really love them. I love the flexibility about them. I love how I'm able to fluff them out and they give such a realistic look. They give such a realistic look. They have great movement. You can just move them around and fluff them out and create a really nice full arrangement. And I think it only comes in a set of 5. So I really, really love the warmth and the cozy vibe that it brings into the space. These are they're sort of like Ming boxes. I got them from Amazon a while back, and you can put like jewelry in them, you can put your remotes in them, you can do whatever you want with them, and then you can style them anywhere you like. Your entryway, your coffee table, inside of your walk-in closet for like jewelry and things like that. You can put them on your nightstand for your catch-all. So I just love these boxes. They come in white and they also come in 2 other colors, but I don't remember. And then over here, because I decorate a lot with silver, I decided to just keep my silver pumpkin. I was actually going to spray paint it white, but I decided to just keep it because the lamps, as you can see, the base of my lamps are silver and it still kind of goes nicely with it. And you can mix metals. You can mix your silvers and your champagne gold. As you guys know, around this time of the year, I love to add gold accents into my space to also bring in some extra texture as well as some extra warmth into the space. And then these are some cute little pumpkins that I've had for a few years. I got, I think, like 10 of them from Amazon. And this particular pumpkin, I got that from HomeSense. It does have some gold accents in it. I don't know if you guys can see it there, but I've had that pumpkin for so many years, and there are so many of content creators here on YouTube that have those pumpkins. The credenza is from a local furniture store. I purchased it a few years ago. My lamps are from HomeSense. The beautiful wall mirror decor piece is from Wayfair, and then the canvases are from Dollarama, and those are just some DIYs I did a few months back and shared with you guys. My dining room table and chairs came from Wayfair, and as you can see, I added the maple leaf stems that I got from Dollarama over here. And as you can see, it's a little bit more on the orange side, but some of the leaves do have similar color palette to these beautiful stems that I got from Amazon. Oh, so yeah, I love how my dining room looks. It flows so nicely with the living room. I'm gonna turn the camera around and just give you guys a little pan around view of how everything just flows so nice. So this is a little pan view of how the dining room and the living room and how the colors go so nicely with each other and complement each other so beautifully. I just love the warmth and the coziness of this year's fall decor here in my home. Let me know your thoughts on what you think of everything. And if you missed my living room video, it will be linked in an iCard on the screen. Let me know your thoughts on what you think of my dining room and how I've styled and decorated it for fall 2024. So, guys, I refreshed my island with some new finds that I got from Temu. I was going to do this in a separate video, but I figured why not get it all over with because I kind of want to start wrapping up all of my fall content because I still have my entryway to share with you guys, but that will be in a separate video because I'm still waiting on one or two items to wrap that up. And I also wanted your help. Should I use these napkins because they go so nicely with these beautiful stems that everyone is using? I'm gonna remove these ones to show you guys. I have another one in the back, but these beautiful stems that everyone is using that they got from Amazon, I actually got three of them from Temu for just $18 and something cents. Here on the Canadian website, here on the Canadian Amazon site, these are $27, almost 30 something dollars with tax. And then from another seller, that person is selling it for like 60 bucks. So I think I got a pretty good deal at the fraction of the cost by paying only $18, and they're the same stems. They are so beautiful, but to give them, I just love the movement and how I'm able to open them up and just create a really nice full look. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know I love having a full flower arrangement. And I have these ones that I got from Michael's a few years ago. So I placed one in the back and I placed this one in the front just to give the arrangement more of a full look. And I decided to show you guys it with these napkins, but I think I'm gonna also show you guys how it looks with the napkins that I've used on the dining room table because that rust color, warm, beautiful color I'm using throughout the space. And like I said, I have these stems in a these stems are also in the same color palette as the ones that I have on the coffee table. So I kind of wanted to break things up a little bit and bring a little bit of that over here on the kitchen island, sort of give it its own identity, but still keeping within the color palette. So I'm going to change out these napkins and I'm going to add the rust ones because I did get those in a set of 12 from Amazon. These ones also came in a set of 12, but they're giving me more sort of like a Christmassy look and a little bit too matchy matchy. As I switched out the other napkins, which is in that sort of wine burgundy color for the same napkins that are on my dining room table and the same palette throughout the space. And I took out that eucalyptus stem that's the same color as these beautiful maple leaf stems that I got from Timu, and I added this one instead. It brings in a little bit more of that color and it goes really nicely with the napkins as well. Let me know your thoughts and what you think. But the vase came from Winners. It was white and I painted it black. You guys have seen these pumpkins many times in a few of my videos. I got them from Winners, and this sort of basket woven one came from Winners as well. I really, really love this one. Candle is from Winners, and then this is just my candle accessories. Excuse my nail. I need to go to the nail tech. And then this cute little pumpkin with the little gold thankful and the stem in gold came from Dollarama. I think I mentioned to you guys this time of the year I love bringing in gold accents, but I don't like the bright gold. I sort of like a more subtle sort of champagne gold to bring in some more warmth and extra texture into the space because I do decorate with silver, and silver this time of the year and in the cold season can be a little bit cold. So mixing the two creates texture, it creates warmth, and I'm just really loving how this looks. Let me know your thoughts, guys, on the tablescape and what you think of my little islandscape setting. So, like I was saying to you guys, these beautiful stems came in a set of three from Amazon, and as you can see, the similar tone and color that I've used on the island, I wanted to, like I said, draw a little bit of that color on the island. To the plate setting, these beautiful mats came from Amazon in a set of four, and I got them a few weeks ago. My cute and beautiful charger plates with the beads around them came from Amazon. I think I got them like 2 years ago. And then this is a matching salad plate to the bigger plate that's on the dining room table. Remember I said I didn't want to like do a matchy matchy, so I broke it up and I used the little salad plate with my black dinnerware plate set that I got from Walmart. And then, as I said, those little plates and the bigger version on the dining room table came from the Dollar Tree. Napkins are the same as the ones on the table. They came in a set of 12 from Amazon. And then my cute napkin rings came in a set of 4 from Amazon, and I've had those for a while. Um, my my flatware I got from Amazon. It comes with 2 forks, 1 knife, and 2 sets of spoons in 2 different sizes. And that is my islandscape, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy these types of video, getting that luxe look for less while turning your house into a home, decorating on a budget, inspirational cleaning and motivational videos, DIYs, and more, you are definitely in the right place. Subscribe, double tap your bell to get notified every time I upload. Leave me some comments down below. I'd like to know your thoughts on today's video and how I've styled my kitchen island, my dining room for fall 2024. This really helps my channel out, guys. It just lets YouTube know that you are enjoying my content and they'll recommend it to others, as well as it also inspires me to continue recording and bringing content to you guys. I love you for watching. Have a beautiful and blessed day. And to all of my Canadian viewers, happy Thanksgiving, because our Thanksgiving is coming up in a few days. Okay? Well, guys, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.